welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be opening up the Scarlet and Violet Pokemon cards. So inside of the package, we got this. So now let's search inside of it. Okay, so we got Krogunk. Let's make sure there's nothing under that. Okay. Dedede, I don't know how to say that. If I said it wrong, then that's okay for me. And we got Croa. We got trainer cards. Switch. We can switch. So in a battle, you can switch Pokemon. And here's one of the new Pokemon. And a new one. I don't know how to say that name. But Hammer In and Sweeping Tackle. That does 200 damage. We got Trainer. Team Star Grunt. Okay. We got this one. I didn't know how to say that. And then we got this thing. Whatever it is. Got that. So I got... No! Yeah. And then we got Toxicroak.
Toxicroak.
And then we got the basic energy water.